Jyotiraditya Scindia took charge of the Civil Aviation Ministry today morning. But however, the party he was associated with earlier, the Congress party, took a swipe at him. Remember, Scindia has been a Rahul Gandhi's former aide, joined the BJP in 2020 March. Congress leader B.V. Srinivas put out a tweet on your screens there, mocking Jyotiraditya Scindia and his decision to now have the Civil Aviation Ministry portfolio with him. In the Youth Congress leader, while putting out this specific cartoon, basically is referring to the Air India mascot, the popular Maharaja, greeting Scindia, now the Civil Aviation Minister, and saying, and I quote here, both of us are sale, in Hindi using the word bikau. The Congress leader is indicating with his tweet that Scindia dumped the party basically for money, and that was offered by the BJP. Scindia, remember, was known to be close to the Congress MP Rahul Gandhi. Maushmi Singh is tracking all the latest on that. Maushmi, very interesting that this comment has come from the Congress party. What are you picking up on the party strategy? Because it appears that they are not going to forget how easily, in many ways, Jyotiraditya Scindia joined the BJP and got such a significant and a prestigious ministry portfolio as well.
Pooja, see, it was a huge loss of perception as far as the perception battle is concerned between the Congress and the BJP when Scindia walked off to the opposite camp. And for that Congress party, who always saw Rahul Gandhi flanked by Scindia on his right, that was a big jolt. And now when Scindia is just taking charge, the timing of it, what Srinivas has tweeted is very interesting, because Congress, they're taking a dig. Even the Madhya Pradesh Congress said that it was just a lollipop that Scindia was given as in a portfolio of civil aviation. Tariq Anwar, the General Secretary of the Congress Party, is right here with us. And sir, यहाँ कहा जा रहा है रब ने बना दी जोड़ी, और जिस तरह से कार्टून श्रीनिवास जी ने डाली है, आपके बहुत वरिष्ठ नेता रहे, क्या सही है? सही लाइट में उनको आपको शुभकामनाएं देनी चाहिए?
देखिए, वैसे तो हमारे पुराने मित्र माधव सिंधिया के वो बेटे हैं, और उस हैसियत से मैं तुमको छोटा भाई समझता हूँ। लेकिन जो पोर्टफोलियो उनको दिया गया है वो तो बहुत वज़नदार नहीं नज़र आता है, और ऐसा लगता है कि उनको सिर्फ लॉलीपॉप दिया गया। ये बात जो लोग कह रहे हैं वो गलत नहीं है। और जो उन्होंने काम किया, यानी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए, जो हमारी सरकार थी, कांग्रेस की सरकार थी, चुनी हुई सरकार थी, उसको गिराकर भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार को वहाँ स्थापित किया, तो उसका कुछ ना कुछ तो उसका बदला मिलना ही था। देर से
इसमें कहा गया है कि हम दोनों बिकाऊ हैं, यानी कि कहीं ना कहीं सिंधिया ने अपने फायदे के लिए समझौता किया। क्या आप मानते हो?
देखिए, ये कोई बात छिपी हुई नहीं है। उन्होंने खुद इस बात को कई बार स्वीकार किया है कि हमारी आने वाले दिनों में जो हमारा जो भविष्य है वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ है। तो अपने राजनीतिक भविष्य को ध्यान में रखकर उन्होंने फैसले लिए हैं, इसको कौन इनकार कर सकता है?
So there you are, Pooja. Perhaps the question really is, are the grapes sour for the Congress party when you have a leader of the stature of Jyotiraditya Scindia, who was a close aide of Rahul Gandhi, leaving? And naturally, the Congress has a bitter taste in the mouth.
Maushmi Singh getting us that exclusive and an elaborate reaction from a senior leader of the party about what possibly is going to be now seen as a cartoon sent by the Congress member, but of course targeting now the Civil Aviation Minister. Maushmi, thank you very much for now.